This is the eufy S330, and I have to say, this is like the holy grail of cameras that I've been searching for.
Now, eufy Security did send me these cameras for review, but with all my review videos, I want to make sure to present you with accurate and unbiased information as best as I can, so that way you can make a decision that's best for you. The S330 is a fully solar-powered 4K camera solution that gives you an amazing amount of detail and clarity compared to most other security cameras that are on the market, let alone the fact that these are totally wireless cameras as well for both power and for data. So I recently reviewed the 4K eufy E330 cameras, which are on par with these, and while they're great cameras, they still require a power source. So the fact that the S330 cameras bring almost the same number of features as their counterparts, the E330s, but they're completely powered by solar, it allows for a lot more flexibility in placing these cameras around your house. Eufy calls the solar power feature forever power because the combination of the high efficiency solar panels that are built in, as well as the battery that's inside, the S330 is rated to last 365 days. So you don't have to worry about cloudy days creating any security gaps or having a battery that's going to inconvenience you with having to remove the camera just to charge it inside. And these cameras can function with just 2 hours of direct sunlight exposure per day. That's really not a lot of sun exposure when you think about it, since these are 4K Ultra HD resolution cameras. Now we're gonna dive into the video quality here in just a minute, but I do wanna first talk about another feature that I think is really impressive called BionicMind AI. So when you combine the eufy S330 cameras with the Homebase 3, you unlock another set of amazing features. Now, the Homebase 3 can be purchased separately, but it is typically included with eufy's multi-camera kits, including the S330s. BionicMind is a built-in AI that can detect and categorize people, cars, and pets, and it improves on its own over time with up to 99.9% accuracy, no matter what you're wearing or how you approach the camera. You can even help train it and name people that it detects so that you'll get custom notices on your phone when your family arrives home safe, or if it happens to detect a stranger in your backyard. One of the coolest features is when you have multiple cameras installed, and eufy's BionicMind creates something called a cross-camera tracking event. So what this does is if you have multiple events that occur on those different cameras, eufy will roll up all those events into one timeline, which will make reviewing that footage really, really simple. The Homebase 3 lets you save all of your video locally with advanced encryption to protect your privacy, and local video storage means no subscription charges or hidden monthly fees. Also, if you're finding this video helpful so far, be sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to the channel where I'll bring you more content just like this. All right, so let's look closely at the S330 cameras. The eufy S330 has an integrated solar panel on top that's going to recharge the built-in 13,000 milliamp hour battery with just 2 hours of direct sunlight exposure per day. The camera has a nice look to it, and it is about the same size as my older 2K S40 solar camera, also from eufy. It's just shaped a little bit differently. And I was happy to find out that I could reuse the same mount from the S40, which made for a quick upgrade for the front of my house. It also has a built-in speaker and microphone that lets you hear what's going on, and can even let you have a two-way conversation. Test 1, 2, 3.
Test 1, 2, 3.
Or sound an alarm if necessary. The front also has a built-in spotlight to scare away anyone who shouldn't be there or to light up an area if you need it. Now, as I mentioned before, this S330 multi-camera kit includes the Homebase 3, which lets you record an incredible amount of video locally with an optional hard drive. And the Homebase 3 powers all of the advanced AI features. On the back of the Homebase 3, there are 2 USB ports that can let you charge the cameras fully before you install them, or you can plug in an external hard drive to archive your video footage. There's also an Ethernet port on the back to plug the Homebase 3 directly into your router, which is a requirement because the Homebase 3 can't communicate to your network wirelessly. The Homebase 3 that's included with the kit has 16 gigabytes of internal storage, which is probably going to be just fine for most people. And if you want to expand that storage, you can install a hard drive inside of the Homebase itself. It can accept a hard drive that's up to 16 terabytes in size, which is going to let you save a massive amount of video footage. And eufy's made the process to install a hard drive in the unit pretty simple too. As far as other things that are included in the box, eufy has everything you need to install and power up your system, except for the tools. To get the camera set up, start by installing the eufy Security app on your phone or tablet if you don't already have it installed. After that, it's just a matter of following the directions that come with the cameras or by following the step-by-step instructions inside the app itself. Then you'll need to charge the cameras completely by using the built-in USB-C port. Just be sure to reinstall the waterproof cover on the camera before installing the cameras outside. To get the cameras on your network, you'll need to place them close to the Homebase 3 and use the app to sync them to the Homebase.
Ready to add device.
After the cameras are fully charged and synced, you can use the included template to mark the location where you want to install the camera mount. To install the mount, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver or a Phillips bit, along with a drill to make some pilot holes for the screws or to install the screw anchors. After installing the mounting plate, you'll install the second half of the mount. After that, it's a simple process to attach the camera and get everything adjusted. You can watch the video feed in the app as you align the camera to make sure everything is exactly how you want it. In the app itself, you can make adjustments to your notifications. You can specify what type of motion you want to detect.
The motion detection can not only pick up human detection, but it can also pick up vehicles.
You can set boundaries to ignore public areas like sidewalks and public streets. And you can even set privacy zones so you don't accidentally spy on your neighbors. As for using the system and cameras, you can watch live video footage anywhere in the world through the eufy security app. You can interact with people over two-way audio, turn on the spotlight, review event recordings, and a lot more. Speaking of events, the cameras will notify you when different types of events are detected, such as a stranger, the name of a person you've told the AI about, like family members, even pets and vehicles. That way you can know what's happening at your house just from glancing at the notifications, so you don't have to view the recordings just to find out that a motion detected message is just your cat. As for the video quality, having 4K Ultra HD cameras gives you an amazing level of clarity. eufy lets you get up close on the details as well, with up to an 8x digital zoom that's available through the app. The cameras have built-in night vision, and their starlight sensors perform really well even in low light situations. You can see colors in very low light conditions that you just can't get with other cameras. As for the clarity, it's 4K, so you can't get much better than that without having an optical zoom lens, which can be really hard to find on home-based security cameras. To test how good the video quality is, we're going to be using this license plate and see if we can read it at the end of the driveway, which is about 45 feet away from the camera. Like I said, this is about 45 feet away from the camera at the end of my driveway, and this is also using the 8x zoom feature that's in the app. And while it's not really easy to read, once I walk up to about 30 feet away from the camera, you can start to really see the letters of the license plate. As you can see through my test, the video quality is really clear. Overall, I'd say the video quality of these cameras is some of the best that I've seen. Some other things that are worth mentioning, these cameras seem to be built really well, and that's backed up with the IP67 rating that eufy has given these cameras, and that just means that the cameras are built to withstand some pretty harsh outdoor environments. The AI detection feature is pretty accurate even right out of the box, and if it detects something that's not accurate, you can quickly trade it. In my opinion, the 4K video combined with solar power and AI really can't be beat if you're looking for a comprehensive, totally wireless smart camera solution. So overall, I think eufy's done a really great job with improving this latest generation of security cameras, and they've put together a feature-packed security camera solution for home users. So if you want to pick up the eufy Security S330 kit, I'll have links in the video description below that you can go and check out to see what it is at its current best price. And if you want even more flexibility for camera placement, be sure to check out my review on the eufy S340 next. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.